It's taken me 48 years to learn what I'm going to teach you in about 60 seconds on how to truly change your life. Number one, stop hanging out with losers. It's not that they're not cool people, but they don't have your best interest in mind. If there's somebody in your life that's holding you back, get rid of them. They don't deserve you because you are amazing. Did you hear that? Get rid of the porn. You don't need it. Invest in your relationships with people that matter, not the internet. Spend less time on social media. Take care of your body, work out, eat right. Stop going out to eat fast food. It's not good for you. Make your food at home. Drink more water, 120 ounces a day. Have a routine. Go to bed at a decent hour. 9 hours of sleep, you need it. Also, having and developing a schedule is also important. Save your money, invest it, live below your means. Dress well, your grooming also matters. Have good hygiene, smell great. Treat yourself well. Stop doing self-destructive things. Have a goal, your goal. It's nobody else's life other than yours. If you get knocked down, which you will, get back up. It's part of the process. Failure is good. Bottom line is this: I love you. I think you're amazing. And if you do this, your life, incredible.